1991 Pontiac Firebird Firehawk. 1991 Pontiac Firebird Firehawk specs. Engine, 5.7-liter V8. Transmission, 6-speed. Power, 350 horsepower. Torque, 390 lb-ft. Among late-model Pontiac Firebirds, the Firehawk rules the roost, certainly from a collectability standpoint. Because General Motors had discontinued production of Poncho V8s starting in 1981, the brand had to turn to other outfits to give its Camaro counterpart the performance it deserved. Street Legal Performance SLP modified a total of 25 cars over a 2-year run, fitting each one with a 350 horsepower Chevy 350 small block V8, a 6-speed ZF transmission, 1 LE brakes, as well as a Dana 44 rear end and 275/40 of 17 tires. Buyers could further upgrade their Firehawks with elements from the competition package, including 4-piston Brembos, 5-point harnesses and Recaro seats, and even a fuel cell. As only 8 cars were ordered in 1991, the nicest consource examples are capable of hitting 6 figures, valued at $105,000 per Hagerty's price tool.